Hello everyone, and welcome back again. Hope everyone's doing okay. It's nice and warm in here, it's freezing outside. But today I'm going to be doing the ATAMI mix for the onions. I have given them a feed since last time, but we'll get into that in a minute. As you can see, everything else in here is growing along nicely now. These are doing quite well. These are the snow peas from Nick over at Nick the Gardener. I've got some cauliflowers, lettuce, kohlrabies, carrots, strawberries, spring onions, got all sorts in there. We'll have a look through all that in a minute. But main reason we're here today is to mix up some of the ATAMI nutrients for the giant onions, which are looking a lot better now. We'll spin the camera around, have a look at them, and see how they're doing. So as you can see, the way got my mix in the front, as you can see. Plenty of weed seeds germinated in there. Overall, they're looking quite well. They're a lot further behind than what I would like them to be, but I brought them out early just to get some more space in the shed. In the back, we've got the ATAMI, and they're looking a lot greener, a lot healthier, and seem to have caught up a bit now. After the last video, after I watered them in the last video, a couple of days after that, I gave them a feed, and they had water after that. And mine have just had rainwater, as usual. I think I'm going to give them another dose of rainwater, but these are going to get potted onto probably in the next week. So I don't see the point of feeding these ones, as there should still be a decent amount of nutrient in that potted medium. So that's them. We're going to be feeding the floor at the back with the ATAMI fertilizer. We'll have a look through all that and show you how I'm going to mix that up now. And looking at this mixing guide, I'm going to say we're in growth phase, because I don't want to put these on any bloom feed, as we don't want them to flower. So we're going to keep it on the growth phase, which is coco A and B, which we've got right here. Coco booster, which we've got there. Silica here, and the atazyme. And we don't need a root simulator. So I've got a 10 litre bucket of water, and we'll work out the measurements for 10 litres. I think this is, yeah, per litre. So it'll be a lot easier rather than trying to do 0.5 of a ml. I can do 50 ml in 10 litre bucket. Just makes it a lot easier in the long run. So first one is coco A and coco B. Now, it says to add 1 to 2 ml per litre. So if I go 10 ml of each, get 5 ml in this. So I'll just do 2 of these capfuls. I'll just clean the syringe out in between, so we don't get any cross-contamination in the jars. That's coco A, and this one's coco B. This tub had a hole in the bottom of it, so I have lost a bit of it. So that's coco A and coco B in there now. You can already see that starting to change colour. Half a ml per litre of the coco booster. So half a ml per litre of coco booster, so 10 litres, that would be 50 ml. And if anyone is interested in trying out any of the ATAMI products, I do have links to everything in the description. Silica 0.1 ml per litre, so that would be 1 ml. To 10 litres. And then 1 to 3 ml per litre of the atazyme. So 1 to 3 ml per litre would be 30 ml. One and a half, 25. So I'll just give that a good stir now, so it's all mixed together. And we'll test the EC of this before giving it to the plants. If it's too high, we can always add a bit more water to it. And this is rainwater, by the way. Recommend using rainwater if you can. If not, leave your water sit for at least 24 hours before using it. Just dechlorinates it. Right, so using TDS and EC testing pen, just going to test the EC levels in this. So that's only at 500. So again, that's quite a weak solution, quite a weak mix. But like I say, they're going to get repotted in the next week or two. And we don't want to be feeding them anything too strong. And I'm going to give each one roughly about a litre of water and just pour it around the top of the compost pot. So a litre of water per plant. Slowly pour it. It all evenly around the pot. Do that with the other three. My fault, I just got ghost in the rainwater. That is all. Right then guys, so that's going to be it for this one today. Found that helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're interested in trying any of ATAMI products, there are links in the description. So I'm going to leave it at that for today, and catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Wow, it's really coming down now guys. There's some big hailstones. Really are getting all the weather today. It's sunny, windy, raining, now hailstones. And that came out of nowhere.